Hi there. Today in this session I will discuss about operator precedence. Basically during our primary schooling, if you remember, we discussed about word mass tool, which helps to determine or understand which operator to be solved first if many operators are there in the given problem. Similarly, we have operative precedings to be solved in Java, which is a set of rules that tell us the precedings of different operators, and as per the rule, operator with the higher precedence is evaluated first. You can see that it is associated as ul to re or retul, left to right associative or right to left associative. When there are the unity operators as mentioned in the first line, they had the right to left, then solves the arithmetic operators in the second row it is left to right. When it comes for the basic operation which is plus and minus goes ul to re, shift operators goes ul to re, most of the operators goes ul to re, you can see that, but the conditional operators goes from re to ul and d, shift and the arithmetic operators combination goes from re to ul. As much you will practice onto this, you will be more clear which operator has a higher precedings as compared to the other one. I just wanted to demonstrate with the help of one examples, so let's get started. Considering I have three variables here int number, a number, and numbered is e. Here I see end result equals to number e, and here we're going to print the output, whatever we did have in the result. The precedings of multiply and divide is greater than that of plus, they will be evaluated accordingly. Also, multiply and divide are of the same decisions, so they will be associated in left to right order. First of all number, which is second one, and the number gets multiplied, as I said, left to right, and then that result would be divided by a, and then whatever output will come that gets plus number that is a, so yeah, whatever result comes gets divided by a, and then get plus with it. That's how it works. Now let me just run this and evaluate my output. The output is k because o into a is a, plus a is e. That's how you can evaluate your operators in the larger or real-time application if any calculation has to be happened with these complex operators. See you in the next session and the next time. Stay tuned. Thank you.